Good morning from Brno. This is the second day here. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and my bus leaves at 5 o'clock, so I've got a couple of hours left and I'm going to the center now. Let's buy a ticket. This ticket, it cost me 20 crowns, which is more or less like 80 cents. This is the Old Town Tower Hall. Let's see if I can get up there. Crocodile Dundee in Brno. I got the ticket, which cost me like 70 crowns. It's so hot today again. As far as I understand, this tower is 63 meters high and you have to climb up 173 steps. And this is how the clock works. It seems to be like that I'm the only one here. And look at these nice views from all over the city. And over there, that's where I've been yesterday. So here in Brno, you can tap your own beer. Look at this. You just get a cup inside a shop and then you can tap your own beer. How cool is that? So that's pretty much everything from Brno. I'm heading back to my hostel to get my luggage. And I'm leaving this place within 2 hours. See you in the next one.